Hello, it's the Council. Welcome to my new video. In this video I will describe you how tooth decaying is a huge problem and how we can fix it in the near future. Over 2.4 billion people suffer from untreated tooth decays globally. And this number will only get bigger. And what's true is that nobody really enjoys the dentist visits and don't enjoy the drilling. In 1927, first electric toothbrush was created, and what's sad is that the technology has not improved that much almost the last 100 years. And I have one innovation in this area and I will show it to you soon. But first, let's take a look at how tooth decays form and what's the core issue with tooth decaying and gum disease. Let's take a look. Bacteria will attach to the surface and more bacteria will accumulate there. Soon you have calculus and it will cause gum disease, and if not cleaned, also decays. It would cut a lot of costs if people just did brush 2 to 3 minutes a day and use interdental brushes and flossing. But it's really hard to change human behavior, but rather we should have better technology and better user interfaces and user experiences. I'm introducing you one option, but let's first see how it would work. What are the mechanics and physics behind it? In cavitation, small vapor bubbles collide to the surface and remove bacteria and dirt. However, the cavitation is so strong that it can even damage metals. So there is some engineering to have great therapeutic range so that we don't induce trauma or damage soft tissues around the teeth. We can do this by lower energy levels inside the fluid that would remove bacteria as well. So let's take a look how the cleaning process works and how the innovation works. So we have a silicone tray, we put it around the dental arch and we use negative pressure to tighten it on its place. So we have pressure difference inside of the tray and outside world. So it acts like a suction cup. Here we have lower pressure here and higher outside of the tray. So it fits tightly and snugly on its place. Then we can fill it with water and utilize ultrasound to create even cavitation or use lower pressures to eradicate and break down the biofilms. So we can do a lot of things that would be really hard with manual toothbrush, also interdental brushes or flossing. So this is the basic structure of the innovation. We have silicone tray that has ultrasonic transducers. They might be CMUT or other ones. And then we have water and air tubing here. And then we have a frame. So when we utilize negative pressure, the whole tray doesn't collapse. We can have some air between the teeth and the tray. On the outside there is flexible silicone that will form the seal like a suction cup. And then we have water pump or vacuum pump. And to give you more context for the innovation is that ultrasonic pads are used daily in various industries, and a blood stain is being removed 100 times better than manual scrubbing. So we have a lot of benefits here, and we only need to find a therapeutic range and a way to manufacture this innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you clean the teeth in the future. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you think that it will work or if it doesn't work. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumb up. You will find the link to the innovation in the description below. Thanks for watching. It was the Council. Bye.